Peace, love, and light, man. What the frick is going on? What the frick is going on? You know, yesterday, freaking took my dog out, and saw somebody go to the door, and it's my biological father, like doors down, and he goes in. Pardon me. He goes down, and he's like, what did he say? What the frick did he say? Oh, I'm sorry. And I just saw him. He was going to his room. I didn't realize who it was at first because I saw this person was staring or whatever, and I'm just like, who is that? Is that thing I think it is? And they were staring, like they're staring for a long time. I saw from a distance because I was taking my dog. It was like far away, but I saw him just staring. I'm just like, I looked at him, and I was like, as I was looking at him, all I could see was, I could see a scared, fearful male who was losing it. And I saw the scare, and I saw the fear from a distance. And this man was just outside of his door, staring at me outside, taking my dog out. Just staring at me. And I said, oh, here goes this loser bitch. You know, this loser bitch has got nothing better else to do, so he's gonna look to see what I'm doing. That's why he was in desperation. Like I said, remember when I was talking in the videos, I said he was desperate? He's in desperation. Cause look, a motherfucker knocking on the door, and if I did show in the short video of me I just pointed at the door. That was because my dog had just barked and he had not, and then the package ended up gone, so he ended up taking it. So he's in desperation, like he's in desperation, man. He's in desperation, and a narcissist sees like they're losing it without you. And this is why they're trying to, you know, his wife is trying to his separated wife who had been separated for like over half a decade. You know, their relationships, you know, they don't work out with narcissists, you know, because soon as you leave, child leave, they go at each other, you know. They're not gonna last at all. Alright, let's see. I'm sorry. I'm trying to do stuff on my computer. I'm trying to get stuff so I can get the frick out of here. Yeah, we're gonna do that. But like I said, my signing is continue. I authorize the person. Okay, that's cool. Nigga. Anyways. Last name, today's date. Alright. But like I said, I just saw fear. I literally just saw a fearful, and I seen it in his eyes. You know, he always knows when he does something wrong. Always knows when he does something wrong, you hear me? Cause it's like a what? Anyways. It's always like what? What's today's date? Nigga, I entered it right. Oh, in the right format. Please enter today's date or in the right format. Wow, when it turns the 15th when you started the application, but then it's the 16th. Whatever, I get up. Okay. Anyways, I'm sorry. That's how I was trying to multitask. But something just told me I had to get this out and I had to film. Like, I literally saw the look of the night, and he was in desperation, desperate. And I remember hearing from another narcissist, the narcissistic friends. They're no longer friends. And they seen him. He's staring. But I seen in his eyes. And he came back. You know, when he came back again, he was like staring. Cause at first I really wasn't sure it was him. But I'm like, they by his door, which room was at, or maybe it was the person next door. But they went right there. But he was by the door, and he was just staring. He was looking. I was just like can you imagine someone at the door, at south side of their hotel door, and then looking outside at you. Yeah, he wouldn't go inside yet because he was just looking. And I'm just like, what a loser. And I was like, this loser, he isn't going to live his life. So he's just worried about me. That's why he's so freaking desperate, knocking at my door like a junkie. Try to give me some puss-ass gift or something. I told you. By the time, I think I told you by the time I came back. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you that. But I did go outside. This means you're enrolled. This is like when I said. This when I said like, look. That's what I said. Like when I went to go check the package. I'm sorry. When I finally woke up, I got up and I saw it was gone. Or I checked a little later. There was nothing there. He went to go take it. He couldn't even wait an hour to go check. He couldn't even wait an hour. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, don't accept any gifts from a narcissist. Don't accept any gifts from a narcissist. It's not a gift. It's always the tools he uses for them. You know? Even like they do with cars. But stuff's gotta be done. Stuff's gotta be done for sure. I'm just thinking and looking. Thinking today. I gotta think. Stuff right here is ridiculous. Let me see. You enrolled in a full? No. But the narcissist is a scared little weakling. I seen it in his eyes. I can see it from a distance. The motherfucker just staring. Just a Terminator, just a robot. And look, and you know what? They try to disacknowledge what you've been through and what they've done to you by just knocking on your doors as if everything's okay and nothing went on. Like I didn't have to leave your freaking same place as you because of you. These motherfuckers are so mad because you have your confidence. They mad because you live your own life. Why do you think somebody comes knocking on your door like a freaking junkie? Like a freaking junkie, the desperation. Freaking losers, man. They have no life. Even if your whole family's a narcissist. F them. This is why his wife, she was calling the front desk. She look, your son doesn't want to talk to you. You know that, bitch. You don't even have his phone number. And same with your husband, they don't have his phone number. So what do? They had to call the hotel he's at and it asked to transfer his room number. And his room number they got that from him, my biological father. You think a bitch like that? You think I'm gonna let you come and I'm gonna open the door for you, bitch? You really think of that? You honestly think because I'm going to open the door for you because of that, bro? Honestly think I'm going to open the door because of that? Somebody honestly thinks that I'm going to open the door for that. You gave them my room so this bitch could harass me, and you still want to come harass me, try to knock on my door and try to tell me it's a gift, it's something, it's for you. Oh, it's from your aunt? F that bitch. They got some mail. I don't give a frick about your mail. You could die, nigga. You faggot ass nigga. They're losers. They doing everything. It's any type of thing, any excuse to try to get in your life. Nigga tried to give you a gift. It was a gift from my aunt or whatever. But she's a flying monkey narcissist too. We told you about this in the video, how to tell someone's a flying monkey 1 and part 2. I said it. I just explained it. Like I gave them clear-cut examples. This is too, when you listen to the people say this too, especially those councils, whatever those gurus, whatever the hell they call themselves, they got big bunch of followings. They're not even telling, a lot of them ain't even telling you stories. They think because they got a PhD degree and they studied, they went to school, they read a book on the subject, you ask them like, oh yeah, I know a narcissist. No, what the frick is it? What's your experience? That's what you need to be interviewing them. You need to be interviewing, asking them. They need to express in detail, in depth. Oh, I dated a narcissist. Okay, bitch. How was it? Who? And why did you date a narcissist? Why did you date a narcissist, bitch? Huh? Who? Who was it? Why were you attracted to that? What conditioned you in order to be attracted to that? They never talk about their parents. They don't know a goddamn thing. All these narcissist relationship people, they never talk about their parents or how they set them up for this stuff. It's just useless. I'm here to save you the dime on that one. But I just want to keep you updated. Still got more of my content, daily uploads. Peace, love, and light. Still getting the stuff together. Still growing. You know what I'm saying? Peace, love, and light. Y'all check out the links in the description. Consultation. DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration if you haven't already. Or you can just send us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration with the subject consultation or coaching pertaining to the subject matter. Share this whoever needs it. Yeah, have a great one. Peace.